In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Facebook account on your phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap at that gear to open up settings, and then tap where it says see more in account center. So we need to get into meta account center to continue. After that, tap at personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Then choose an account you would like to delete. I have just one Facebook account here, so I'm gonna tap on it. Select delete account, then continue. Right from here you can choose any option. I'm just gonna pick the first one. Continue. Scroll down to the very bottom. Continue again. On that step we need to enter our Facebook password. Once you've done that, just tap at continue. And that is the final step where we need to confirm the deletion. Once you tap at delete account, your account will be hidden for 30 days. It will be deactivated, and all your posts, all your media files and your name will be hidden from the Facebook. However, in that 30 days you will be able to reactivate your account simply by logging back in. After the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. To delete your account, tap at that button.